Alright, welcome back to Dearman Customs, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning up some parts. We're going to fit them up and weld them. Y'all just going to have to live with Duke. He's over there cutting up. We're going to clean these parts up here. These are for the hinges I was talking about. We'll get these cleaned up, get them fit off, and get them welded up. And that's what we're going to be doing today. This may wind up being a two-part video. I don't know how long it's going to take to get everything cleaned up, fit up, and welded. So it'll probably wind up being a two-part video. And for y'all that may not know, I own Dearman Custom Fab and Welding LLC. And if you're in the Alabama Gulf Coast area, Mississippi Gulf Coast area, maybe Biloxi, so forth, just depends on the job. We do on-site fabrication and welding. And if you guys need anything, I'm going to try to put the number up. That way you can contact us. We also offer steel, stainless steel, and aluminum services. Alright, we're going to drill these holes out on these pieces just to make sure they're the correct size. And then we'll probably sand everything, get them ready to weld, do a little acetone spray, get out the oils or anything, and get this stuff off of it as well. But yeah, we're going to go ahead, drill those out, and get them ready. So what we're going to do today is we're going to fit up some parts and try to weld these things out. Got everything laid out, prepped up, ready to go. So we're going to try to fit one up, weld it out. I'll show you guys what we got. Alright, so in the outro that I just videoed, I said I didn't know how much of the fit up and the weld that I got. Well, the answer to that question is none. I didn't get any of it. Like I said, the camera's been acting crazy, so I'm gonna do it again. Luckily I got two more that I got to do, so I'm gonna film fitting those up, or fitting one of those up and welding it out, and then I'll see if I actually got that, and then hopefully I can put together a video. much of that fit up and that weld I got. The camera's been acting stupid the past couple of days. I don't know. I'm just going to piece together all these little videos that I have and try to make one. But we did get that one fit up, welded out. These little pieces that I've made, or had made, I had somebody cut these out on their plasma, but they're hard to fit up. They're a little pain in the butt. But anyhow, it doesn't matter. Got this thing fit up, welded out. I mean, it's not cleaned up or anything, so it's still got weld smoke on it and everything else, but it's welded, it's done. And I think these are going to work out great for the gate. Way overkill, but they will work and they'll last a lifetime. This is Dearman Customs. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.